If possible, use the intermediate value theorem to determine if the following functions have a zero in the given interval. Be sure to support your answers with work. Well, since we're not being asked to find where a zero is, we're just being asked to determine if there's a zero. We only need to check the three conditions of the intermediate value theorem. The first condition of the intermediate value theorem is that the function that we want, this g of x, must be continuous on the interval -2 to 2. That's the interval that we were given. That's the interval we need to use. So g of x must be continuous on that interval. And if we rewrite g of x just a little bit to look like 2 over sine of x, then we just need to find now where the sine of x equals 0, because that's when we will have discontinuities in the denominator. We'll be trying to divide by 0. We don't want that. So the sine of x equals 0 at x equals k pi, where k is an integer. So that means the sine of x equals 0 on some numbers that look like this, -2 pi, pi, 0, oh sorry, that's a negative pi, positive pi, 2 pi, And it looks like this 0 is in our interval. So we can conclude g of x is not continuous on -2 to 2. So we can't say anything about whether or not there is a 0 of 2 cosecant x on the interval of -2 to 2. So the IVT does not apply.